A lot of people think they lose money on cars because they chose the wrong model. But in reality, most of the time, they lose money because they don't understand why certain cars fail and others keep going for years. When you look at long-term data from places like Consumer Reports, RepairPal, and Real Owner Feedback, a clear pattern shows up. Some cars aren't fragile. They just don't tolerate neglect. That's exactly what this video is about. These are 5 excellent cars that can last a very long time when they're properly maintained. But when basic care is ignored, problems start to appear, and owners often blame the car instead of the neglect. We're not here to say any car is perfect. Every model has strengths and a few areas that require attention, and we're going to talk honestly about both sides. If you're someone who wants reliability, peace of mind, and doesn't want to waste money on a bad decision, stay with me until the end. One of the cars on this list surprises a lot of people, and it usually gets judged unfairly. Let's start with the Acura TLX, especially the V6 models from 2016 to 2020. This is a car that often gets labeled as unreliable online, but when you look closer at long-term data from Consumer Reports, RepairPal, and Real Owner Experiences, the story is more balanced than people think. When properly maintained, the TLX offers a very solid Honda-based drivetrain, smooth power delivery, and a level of comfort that many owners say still feels premium even after years of use. Many long-term owners report well over 150,000 or even 200,000 miles with no major mechanical failures. Where problems usually start is not with the engine itself, but with neglect. Delayed oil changes, ignored transmission service, and aggressive driving without proper maintenance tend to be the common factors behind complaints. This is not a car that enjoys being abused and then forgotten, so the TLX is not a car that breaks easily, but it is a car that expects basic care. Treat it right, and it can be a dependable, comfortable, long-term vehicle. Ignore maintenance, and it will remind you that it's a performance-oriented sedan, not an appliance. Next up is the Subaru Outback, especially the 4-cylinder models from 2016 to 2019. This is a car that people either love or criticize, and most of that criticism usually comes down to one thing: maintenance habits. When you look at long-term reliability data and owner feedback, the Outback stands out as a very dependable vehicle when it's properly cared for. Owners consistently praise its all-wheel drive system, safety, and ability to handle bad weather and long road trips without drama. Many report high mileage with the original engine still running strong. Where things tend to go wrong is when routine maintenance is ignored, especially transmission service. Subaru's CVT requires attention, and when owners skip fluid changes or assume it's lifetime fluid, that's when complaints start showing up. This leads many people to blame the car, when the real issue is neglect. So the Outback isn't unreliable, but it does expect its owner to follow the maintenance schedule. Do that, and it can be a very trustworthy, practical vehicle for many years. Ignore it, and it becomes a lesson in why maintenance still matters. Next is the Ford Taurus, a car that many people overlook today, but that doesn't mean it's a bad car. In fact, when you look at long-term ownership data and fleet usage, the Taurus shows a pattern of solid durability, especially in the V6 versions from 2016 to 2019. Owners often praise the Taurus for being comfortable on long drives, stable at highway speeds, and simple to live with. It's a large, heavy sedan built for steady cruising, not aggressive driving, and when used that way, it tends to hold up very well over time. Where problems usually show up is when maintenance is treated casually. Skipping oil changes, ignoring cooling system service, or assuming a big car can take unlimited abuse often leads to issues that could have been avoided. This is especially true for owners who drive it hard without maintaining it properly. So the Taurus isn't exciting and it's not pretending to be sporty, but it is dependable when it's treated with basic care. Maintain it properly and it can be a comfortable, long-lasting car. Neglect it, and it quickly loses the qualities that made it a good buy in the first place. Next is the Mazda 6, especially the naturally aspirated versions from 2016 to 2021. This is one of those cars that quietly built a strong reputation by staying simple, while others moved toward turbos and more complexity. Looking at owner feedback and long-term reliability data, the Mazda 6 stands out for its balance. Owners often talk about smooth driving, good fuel economy, and fewer unexpected repairs compared to many competitors. The engine and transmission combination is straightforward, and that simplicity plays a big role in long-term durability. Where some complaints appear is usually tied to expectations rather than real failures. Some owners expect sporty performance or luxury-level isolation, and that's not what this car was designed for. Neglecting routine maintenance, like oil changes or basic inspections, can also lead to issues that give the impression of unreliability. Overall, the Mazda 6 is not flashy, but it's honest. Take care of it, and it tends to reward owners with years of dependable service. Ignore the basics, and it reminds you that even simple cars still need attention. Finally, let's talk about the Toyota Venza. This is a car that doesn't get much attention, and that's actually part of why it's such a smart choice. The newer Venza, especially from 2021 onward, focuses on comfort, efficiency, and proven Toyota engineering rather than performance or flashy features. Owner feedback and reliability data show a consistent pattern here. When the Venza is maintained normally, it tends to be extremely quiet, smooth, and dependable. The hybrid system has already shown strong durability in other Toyota models, and many owners describe the Venza as a vehicle that simply does its job without asking for much. Where issues can appear is usually tied to neglect, not design flaws. Skipping basic maintenance, ignoring warning lights, or assuming a hybrid doesn't need regular care can lead to problems that could have been avoided. It's not a fragile vehicle, but it does expect its owner to pay attention. The Venza isn't exciting, and it doesn't try to be. But for someone who wants a calm, efficient, and reliable vehicle, it fits perfectly. Take care of it, and it's the kind of car you stop worrying about. Ignore it, and even a Toyota will eventually complain. If you've owned one of these cars, you already know the truth. Use the comments to add your real-world experience, mileage, and maintenance story. That's how we separate good cars from bad advice. Subscribe if you value honest, data-backed discussions about reliability, because that's exactly what this channel is about.